How to enter coordinates on Google Maps. First of all, open up Google Maps in your device. After that, in order to enter the coordinates, all you have to do is simply paste or type in the coordinates in the search bar. But if you're wondering how you can get the coordinates, here is how you can do it. Navigate your specific location in your map. Click on it and then you will see this pin dropped in your location. After you see the red color pin, all you have to do is right click on that location, and from this drop down you will see this coordinate. Now if you want to copy the coordinate, click on what's here. After that, if you navigate at the bottom of this interface, there is this coordinate right here. Now you can copy this coordinate from here. After you copy the coordinates, all you have to do is now you can close this, head towards the search bar and paste the coordinate right here. After that, search it. So that's how you can enter coordinates in Google Maps, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.